My first time ordering a smoothie in English. Hello, wonderful English learners. It's Sophia from the English with Sophia YouTube channel. Dear friends, your support means the world to us. Share, engage, and subscribe to the channel. Your encouragement fills us with joy. Important vocabulary for A1 learners. Here are some key words from this lesson that are great for A1 English learners. 1. Smoothie. Noun. A thick, cold drink made from mixed fruits or vegetables. 2. Order. Verb. To ask for food or drink in a restaurant or shop. 3. Menu. Noun. A list of food and drinks you can buy. 4. Ingredient. Noun. A food item used to make a dish or drink. 5. Fruit. Noun. Sweet food that grows on trees or plants like apples or bananas. 6. Vegetable. Noun. A plant that people eat, like carrots or spinach. 7. Blender. Noun. A machine that mixes food into liquid. 8. Counter. Noun. The long table in a shop where you order or pay. 9. Cash. Noun. Money in the form of paper or coins. 10. Card. Noun. A small plastic card used to pay for things. 11. Receipt. Noun. A piece of paper that shows what you bought and paid. 12. Straw. Noun. A thin tube used for drinking. 13. Taste. Verb. To try food or drink with your tongue. 14. Sweet. Adjective. Having a flavor like sugar. 15. Healthy. Adjective. Good for your body. Remember to practice these words when talking about food, drinks, or shopping experiences. Good luck with your English learning journey. Today, I'm going to share with you my experience of ordering a smoothie in English for the first time. This was a fun and slightly nervous experience that helped me practice my English in a real-life situation. Let's explore this adventure together. Dörrstarker, what is a smoothie? Before we start, let's understand what a smoothie is. It's a thick, cold drink made by blending fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients. It's usually healthy and refreshing. Many people in America drink smoothies for breakfast or as a snack. Preparing for the experience. Before I went to order my smoothie, I did some preparation. 1. I looked up common smoothie ingredients in English. 2. I practiced saying the names of fruits and vegetables. 3. I learned some phrases for ordering food and drinks. Finding a smoothie shop. First, I had to find a place to buy a smoothie. 1. I searched online for smoothie shops near me. 2. I found a popular shop just a few blocks from my house. 3. I decided to walk there on a sunny afternoon. Entering the shop. When I arrived at the smoothie shop, here's what I experienced. 1. The shop was bright and colorful. 2. There were pictures of fruits and vegetables on the walls. 3. I could see big blenders behind the counter. 4. There was a line of people waiting to order. Duppers reading the menu. Before ordering, I needed to choose my smoothie. 1. There was a big menu board above the counter. 2. It listed many different smoothie flavors. 3. Each smoothie had a list of ingredients. 4. There were also options to add extra ingredients. Some smoothie flavors I saw: strawberry banana bliss, green power with spinach and kale, tropical paradise with pineapple and mango, berry blast, chocolate peanut butter protein, dark horse waiting in line. While waiting in line, I prepared for my turn. 1. I decided which smoothie I wanted to try. 2. I practiced my order in my head. 3. I listened to other people ordering to learn from them. My turn to order. Finally, it was my turn to order. Here's what happened. 1. The cashier smiled and said, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" 2. I took a deep breath and said, "Hello, I'd like a small strawberry banana smoothie, please." 3. The cashier asked, "Would you like to add any extras? We have protein powder, chia seeds, or almond butter." 4. I replied, "No, thank you. Just the regular smoothie, please." 5. The cashier said, "Okay, that'll be $5.50. Will that be cash or card?" 6. I answered, "Card, please," and paid with my debit card. 7. The cashier gave me a receipt and said, "Your smoothie will be ready at the end of the counter. Have a great day." 8. I said, "Thank you. You too." Waiting for my smoothie. After ordering, I had to wait for my smoothie to be made. 1. I moved to the side of the counter. 2. I watched the staff make different smoothies. 3. It was interesting to see how they used the big blenders. 4. I could hear the sounds of fruits being chopped and blenders whirring. Receiving my smoothie. After a few minutes, my smoothie was ready. 1. A staff member called out, "Small strawberry banana smoothie." 2. I stepped forward and said, "That's mine, thank you." 3. The staff member handed me my smoothie with a smile. 4. I took a straw and a napkin from the nearby counter. Tasting the smoothie. Now came the exciting part, tasting my smoothie. 1. I took a sip through the straw. 2. The smoothie was cold, sweet, and delicious. 3. I could taste both the strawberries and bananas. 4. The texture was thick and creamy. Reflecting on the experience. After finishing my smoothie, I thought about the experience. 1. I felt proud that I had ordered in English all by myself. 2. I realized that the staff was friendly and patient. 3. I learned new words like blender and protein powder. 4. I felt more confident about using English in other situations. Useful phrases for ordering. Here are some phrases I learned that are helpful when ordering. 1. I'd like. Use this to say what you want. 2. Can I have. Another way to ask for what you want. 3. What do you recommend? Ask this if you're not sure what to order. 4. Is it possible to? Use this to ask for changes to your order. 5. No, thank you. A polite way to say you don't want something. 6. To go, please. Say this if you want to take your order with you. Tips for ordering in English. If you want to try ordering in English, here are some tips. 1. Practice your order before you go to the shop. 2. Speak slowly and clearly. 3. Don't be afraid to ask the staff to repeat something. 4. Use simple words if you're not sure about more complex ones. 5. Smile and be polite. It makes communication easier. Dark Eckers learning new vocabulary. Through this experience, I learned many new words. 1. Smoothie. A thick, cold drink made from blended fruits or vegetables. 2. Blender. A machine that mixes foods into a liquid. 3. Ingredients. The foods used to make a dish or drink. 4. Protein powder. A supplement often added to smoothies. 5. Chia seeds. Small, healthy seeds sometimes added to smoothies. 6. Receipt. A piece of paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Cultural insights. This experience also taught me about American culture. 1. Smoothies are very popular in America, especially in warm weather. 2. Many people in America are health conscious and like healthy drinks. 3. Customizing your order, like adding extra ingredients, is common. 4. Tipping is not usually expected at smoothie shops. Practicing English through everyday activities. Ordering a smoothie showed me how I can practice English in daily life. 1. Reading menus helps with vocabulary and reading skills. 2. Ordering practices speaking and listening. 3. Everyday situations. Build confidence in using English. Overcoming language barriers. During this experience, I faced some challenges. 1. I was nervous about making mistakes. 2. Some ingredients on the menu were new to me. 3. The cashier spoke quite quickly at first. But I overcame these challenges by 1. Reminding myself that it's okay to make mistakes. 2. Asking questions when I didn't understand. 3. Politely asking the cashier to speak more slowly. The joy of success. Successfully ordering my smoothie gave me a great feeling. 1. I felt a sense of achievement. 2. My confidence in speaking English grew. 3. I was excited to try more real-life English conversations. Darsaker conclusion. My first time ordering a smoothie in English was a wonderful learning experience. It showed me that I can use my English skills in real situations, even if I'm not perfect. Every small interaction in English is a chance to learn and improve. Remember, learning a language is not just about studying books. It's about using the language in real life. So don't be afraid to try ordering in English when you have the chance. It might seem scary at first, but it's also exciting and rewarding. Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to enjoy the process. Until next time, this is Sophia from English with Sophia, saying goodbye and happy learning.